Before you touch that gas pump again, pause for just 3 seconds, because what you're about to learn will save your engine, your money, and possibly your life. Most drivers think refueling is the simplest part of owning a car. Pull up, swipe, pump, done. But hidden inside those few minutes are mistakes that quietly destroy fuel pumps, clog sensors, trigger check engine lights, and, under the wrong conditions, turn a harmless refill into a fire hazard. And the wild part? These mistakes are so common that mechanics estimate 90% of drivers do at least one of them every week. Today, I'm going to show you what you must never do before refueling. Not good to know, not optional. I'm talking about the mistakes that cost drivers thousands of dollars and shorten an engine's life by tens of thousands of miles. And stick with me until the end, because the final mistake is so dangerous that even seasoned technicians forget it, and it can literally ignite fuel vapors without a flame. Let's get into it. Stop making this mistake, leaving your engine running while you pump gas. It sounds harmless. You're in a hurry. The engine's warm. You're just topping up. But here's the truth. Gasoline vapors are heavier than air. They sink around your feet, the nozzle, the side of your car. Meanwhile, your engine's alternator, cooling fan, and ignition coils are producing tiny electrical arcs. All it takes is the right vapor concentration and a spark you'll never see, and suddenly you're standing in the middle of a fire you cannot outrun. But the mechanical damage is just as serious. Modern engines use purge valves that can pull raw vapor into the intake while you're fueling. The result? Rough idle, stalling, or vapor contamination inside sensors designed to handle air, not gasoline. Shut the engine off fully. Count to 10, then open the cap. Mistake 2, topping off after the pump clicks. You know that little click the nozzle makes? That's not a suggestion. That's your tank saying, "Stop, I'm full." Ignore it, and you push liquid gasoline into the charcoal canister, a part designed only for vapor. Once it clogs, you'll get rough idling, fuel trim errors, a constant check engine light, and a repair bill that can hit $800. When the pump clicks, you're done. Those extra 2 seconds of squeezing the handle are the most expensive extra 50 cents you'll ever buy. Mistake 3, opening the gas cap too fast. On a hot day, or even after normal driving, your fuel tank builds pressure. Ripping the cap open all at once blasts vapor into your face and forces fuel into the wrong lines. It even confuses pressure sensors and triggers false vapor leak codes. The correct move? Twist gently until you hear the soft hiss. Let it breathe, then open fully. This is what every fuel chemist does in the lab. You should too. Mistake 4, using your phone during fueling. Not because of the signal, because of static. Your clothes, the seat, the phone itself, they build charge. Touch the nozzle while holding that charge, and a single invisible spark can ignite the fumes around the pump. There are hundreds of documented cases. Leave your phone inside or step away from the pump to use it. And always discharge static by touching metal before touching fuel. Mistake 5, ignoring the octane label. Gas is gas. No. Octane is about resisting premature combustion. Too low and your engine knocks. Too high and low compression engines misfire and carbon foul. Combine that with high ethanol blends in cars not built for them, and you're asking for injector wear and pump failure. Follow the sticker on your fuel cap. It's not there for decoration. Mistake 6, driving until your tank is nearly empty. The fuel pump depends on gasoline to stay cool. Run the tank low and the pump runs hot, burning out the windings and shortening its life dramatically. That's why pumps fail silently on cars that run on fumes. Refuel at a quarter tank, always. Mistake 7, filling up right after the tanker truck does. When the station gets a fuel delivery, underground sediment, rust, and water get churned up into the fresh gas. If you pump now, you're sucking the dirtiest fuel the station has all year, straight into your injectors. If you see a tanker truck, go somewhere else or come back in a few hours. Mistake 8. Dumping fuel additives immediately before filling. Most drivers do this wrong. Additives need time and fuel movement to mix. Pouring them in seconds before fueling causes foaming, uneven distribution, and sometimes chemical breakdown before they can even work. Add them right before your next drive, not right before your next fill-up. Mistake 9. Parking the wrong way at the pump. Your car's filler neck has a vent line. Park on an angle where the cap is elevated and you trap air inside the tank. The pump shuts off early, you get less fuel, and you unknowingly waste money every single fill. Park level or with the cap side slightly lower. Mistake 10. Not tightening the gas cap enough. A loose cap creates a vapor leak. That means wasted fuel, poor emissions, and a guaranteed check engine light. Twist until you hear at least 3 clicks. Replace the cap every 5 years. It's the cheapest repair you'll ever make. And here's the bonus mistake, the one almost everyone gets wrong. Trusting your distance to empty meter. It's not exact, it's an estimate. When it says 30 miles left, you might have 20 or 10. And when you run the tank that low, your engine pulls the dirtiest fuel from the bottom, the layer filled with water, sediment, and varnish. Treat a quarter tank as empty. Your fuel pump, injectors, and wallet will thank you. If this video helped you, imagine how many drivers you know are getting these things wrong every single week. Share it with someone who needs it. And if you want more straight-to-the-point, no-nonsense videos that protect your car, your safety, and your money, hit that subscribe button. Your car has never depended on you more. And now, you know exactly what never to do again.